Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You can make money from YouTube Shorts by combining views with strategy. Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds long. Focus on frequent posting and watch time to trigger momentum. Aim for virality, but optimize for repeat viewers and playlists. To access ads revenue, you must join the YouTube Partner Program. That requires 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million Shorts views in 90 days. Your AdSense payments begin after you reach a 0 threshold. Plan a content calendar and post consistently to build an audience. Post daily or at minimum 5 times each week for steady growth. Pick one niche and make repeatable formats that viewers recognize instantly. Start each short with a 3 to 5 second hook that promises value or surprise. Add clear calls to action in the final frames for subscriptions or clicks. Place affiliate links and merch links in descriptions to convert viewers outside of ad revenue. Diversify income streams beyond ad revenue for stable earnings from shorts. Combine YPP ads with brand deals, affiliate marketing, and merch sales to spread risk. Price sponsorships using your average views and engagement rate per short. Include affiliate links in descriptions and use merch shelves when eligible to boost income. Monitor YouTube analytics weekly to find high-performing topics and retention patterns. Reinvest part of your earnings into better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.